Fact number one, the zombie ant fungus. A parasitic fungus, Ophiocordyceps, infects ants, takes control of their brain, and forces them to climb to a high point before killing them and growing out of their body to release spores. Fact number two, lampreys feed by drilling into flesh. These jawless fish latch onto other fish and even mammals, using their sharp circular rows of teeth to bore into flesh and suck blood and bodily fluids. Fact number three, Komodo dragon's toxic bite. Komodo dragons have venom glands that release toxins, causing paralysis, blood loss, and shock in their prey. They stalk their victim for hours, waiting for it to die from the bite.